Hi there. I'm
Looking to land your dream job? Let me help you with my professional resume writing service on Fiverr.
Here's what you'll get. 1. Customer-tailored resumes to stand out from the competition with a personalized resume that highlights your unique strengths. 2. ATS-optimization ensure your resume gets past automated systems with the right keywords and formatting techniques. 3. Proofreading and editing will make your resume flawless and professional with thorough proofreading and editing. 4. Eye-catching designs will make a memorable impression with visually appealing resume designs. 5. Cover letter writing will boost your chances of getting an interview with a persuasive and tailored cover letter. 6. LinkedIn profile optimization will optimize your LinkedIn profile to attract recruiters and showcase your professional brand. Why choose me? 1. Expertise with 5 years of experience. I know what's in place that we're looking for. 2. Personalized approach. I'll understand your career goals and create a resume tailored to
So, ready to get started? Contact me now and let's start your journey to success together.